Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach a nice simple recipe. It takes about 6 ingredients, about 15 minutes total to cook, maybe even less. It's a spicy shrimp with soba noodles. Really delicious, really simple. Let's go ahead and get to it. And I got my oil heating up here. I don't know entirely if it's fully ready to go. Meanwhile, I also have the soba noodles I'll be using. I have them getting ready in a pot because you want them prepared before you put them in here. So right now I have my wok heating up with I put sesame oil in. You could use canola oil or whatever oil you feel like. I'm not sure if mine's hot enough yet, but what I'll do is I'll put the shrimp in here. Okay, sounds good. I'm going to cook up the shrimp for only a couple minutes. You don't want them fully cooked because they'll cook some more. You don't want to fully cook before you go to the next step because they're going to cook more during the other steps. So you want to make sure you only wait about a minute or two before you move on to the next step, which I will show you when I come back. Alright, mine's been cooking for a couple minutes here. You don't want to cook it too long because it's going to keep cooking during the rest of the process, and then you'll have overcooked shrimp, and it's not horrible, but it's better if you cook it the right way. We can go ahead and add some minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm putting a lot of garlic in there. And a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm only adding a little bit because I don't want to be crazy hot. However much you add is up to you. And you go ahead and cook this about 30 seconds. Make sure I get it all mixed in there. You have that going for about 30 seconds then. Meanwhile, you still have your soba noodles getting ready to go. I used mine according to the package I had. If you have a different way of cooking your soba noodles, go for it. But mine are almost done. I started cooking them. It takes longer to cook them than it took me to get the shrimp ready, so I started them before I started the shrimp. That should be close enough to 30 seconds, so I'm going to go ahead and add my noodles. I think I used too much water in this, but I made a lot of noodles because I have a lot of people to feed here. And you go ahead and put soy sauce in here, about 1/4 of a cup, give or take. Should be good. Go ahead and mix it up. I guess I could have put more shrimp in there, but this should be good. You're going to cook that up for another minute, or as long as you think it's going to take for your shrimp to cook the rest of the way through. If you want to add any other extra ingredients to it, now's a good time to do it. I'm going to leave mine the way it is, because it should have good taste to it at the point where it's at. I might taste it to see if I want to add more red pepper flakes or not, but that's about it. But I'll come back to you guys when mine's ready to go. Alright, here we go, all cooked up. Got my noodles, see if I can not make a mess. Noodles and my shrimp. There you go. Nice, yummy, spicy shrimp with soba noodles. And there you have it. Told you, nice quick recipe, about, like I said, 15 minutes tops to make, 6 ingredients. You could add more stuff to it if you want to add a little bit more, like vegetables or something to it. I just left it the way it is. Nice, yummy, takes no time at all. Anyone can make it. If you like this video, please put a comment down below letting me know if you liked it. Also give me a thumbs up, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. You could also find me on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook as well. Oh, and on Twitter. So you can always look me up on there and follow me on there. I post on there when I have new videos coming out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.